Now, we are trying to find the percentage of a given quantity. What it is? Finding the percentage of a given quantity. Let's consider one example. A class of 60 students. A class of 60 students. The teacher announced that 20% of the students got more than 45 marks in the maths examination. Out of 50, more than 45. How we will know how many students actually got more than 45 marks? 60 students are there. More than 20% of the students got 45 above. How we will find? We are going to use this one. Finding the percentage of a given quantity. So, let's find the same problem itself. 60 students are in the class. That is the given quantity. 20% of them score more than 45. So, we are going to find 20% of 60. 20% of 60. How we will find this? Yes. 20% of 60 means, first you have to write the fractional form of the percentage. 20% means 20 by 100. And what represents this of? Of means multiplication. Then there comes 60. So 20 by 100 into 60. You can cancel, right? I'm just going to multiply the numerator together. Let's see how it is. 20 into 60 by 100. It is 2 times 6, it is 12. 2 zeros forms, right? The denominator 100. 0 we can cancel. So, 1. What is the meaning? So, out of 60 students, 12 of them got more than 45. Let's see another one example. Say 50% of 75. How to find 15% of 75? 15% we can write it as 15 by 100. Of will turn to multiplication. What about 75? You write the 75 there. Let's have the cutting process. You can use 5 here, but I am going to use 25. Is it possible? Check. 75 is here, 100 is there. Can I use 25? Yes, 25. Ones are 25, 25 twos are 50, 25 threes are 75, 25 fours are 100. You have learned it, right? So 25 times 3 is 75. 25 times 4 is 100. So I can replace this one as 50 into 3 by 4. So it is, we can multiply, right? 15 times 3 is 45. 45 by 4. Let's do one word problem related to finding the percentage of a given quantity. Here is the question. What is given there? 8% of the children in a class of 25 will like to getting the wedge in the ring. What it is? Yeah, like to wedge in the ring. And we need to find, say, only the total number of children in the class and the percentage are given. But we need to find how many will be the number of students like to get in the ring. So, how we can find it? Total number of students in the class is 25. And how many of them like to wet in the rain? Yes, it is 8% of them like to be wet in the rain. So, we are trying to find out the number of students like to wet in the rain. What will be the first step? Yes, total number of students. Total number of children is equal to 20. Now, 8% of them like to wet in the rain. So, how many children? We are going to find number of children like to wet in the rain. In the rain is equal to 8%, right? 8% of 25. Tell me how to do. 8% we can write in the form of fraction. 8 by 100. It is into. Of means into. 25. Yes. 25 and 100 you can cancel, right? 25 by 100. Sorry, 25 into which number is 100? 4. The same process you can do it here also. 8 and 4. 4 2s are 8. So what is the answer? 2. So out of 25 students in the class, 2 of them like to getting wet in the rain. Now, we are trying to express one quantity as the percentage of another quantity. What it is? We are taking two quantities together. One, we are trying to express the percentage of another quantity. So, we are going to use this formula for that. Here, required percentage. We need to find the percentage, right? For that, this formula saying one quantity by another quantity into 100%. Let's explain or let's understand this concept by taking one example. Here is one example given. 20 as the percentage of 50. So, what I have to do? I have to find this 20. 20 as the percentage of another quantity 50. How can I find the required percentage? The required percentage is equal to 20 by 50 into 100%. We use this formula. The first quantity is 20. We are trying to express as the percentage of 50. So we write it as 20 by 50 into 100%. We can cancel it, right? 0. Then 10 and 5. 5 2s are 10. It will be 20 into 2%. Or it is 40%. So what is the required percentage? 40%. Right? Let's do another example. 90 centimeter as the percentage of 4.5 meter. Let us do this one using this formula. But there is a slight change. What is the change? You can see that one number is expressed in centimeter and the other one is expressed in meter. We are always comparing the same quantity. Here it is centimeter and here it is meter. So either you have to convert centimeter into meter or meter into centimeter. Let's convert meter into centimeter first. Okay. So 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. Very good. So let's write here in the side 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. So 4.5 meter is equal to 4.5 into 100. Multiplying with 100 means jumping towards right side. 2 zeros are there, so 2 jumps. After first jump, we have to put 1 0 there. So it is 450 centimeter. So we can rewrite the question as 90 centimeter as the percentage of 450 centimeter. Now let's find the answer using this one. How can we do it? The required percentage is equal to 90 by 450 into 100 percentage. Let's cancel this one. 0 from numerator and the denominator. 9 and 45. 9 times 5 is 45. Can we cancel again? Yes. 100 is here in the numerator. 5 in the denominator. 5 times 20 is 100. So it is 20%. Now we are going to learn how to find the increase percentage or decrease percentage. What is increase percentage and what is decrease percentage? Say, previously we have learned to find the percentage of one quantity with another quantity, right? So, we have seen one example. Say, in the first term a student got 60%, second term he got 65%. So, there is an increase of percentage, right? Now, how can we find that increase of percentage? If the original values are only given, how can we find the increase in percentage? So, if the percentage is increasing, there will be increase in percentage. If there is the mark are reduced, say, the student got only 50% mark in the second term, there we need to find the decreased percentage, the decreased value, right? Then we are going to find using the given formula. Percentage of increase, we will find using this formula. Increase in value by original value into 100%. Percentage of increase we can find using this one. Increase in value by original value into 100%. Then in the same way we can find the percentage of decrease, right? Decrease in value by original value into 100%. Percentage of decrease we can write like decrease in value by original value into 100%. So, using these two formula, we are going to find the increase percentage or decrease percentage. Let's see some examples to understand these concepts. Okay? A school team won 6 games in this year against 4 teams won in the previous year. We need to find the percentage of increase, right? So, what is given? In this year, the school team won 6 games. In the previous year, they won only 4 games. Clearly, there is increase, right? Previous year 4, this year 6B. So we are going to find the percentage of increase. For that, in that formula, we have seen that it's saying that increase in value by original value into 100%. We need to find the original value, increase in value, right? What is the original value? 4. The original value is 4. Why it is 4? Because in the previous year, we are looking the 6 games winning based on what happened in the previous year. So original value we have taken. For almost all problems, we will take the previous values as the original value. Here the original value is 4. Now, increase in value. What is this increase in value? It is the difference between how much games he have won in the previous year and in this year. It is 6 minus 4. So, increase in value. Increase in value. It is 6 minus 4. It is 2. Now, we can find the percentage of increase. So, increase percentage is equal to increase in value by original value into 100%. Increase in value by original value into 100%. Right? Now, what is the increase in value? It is 2. The original value is set of 4 into 100%. You can cancel. 2 times 2 is 4. 102. It is 50. So, what is the percentage of increase? What is the percentage of increase? Is 50%. Let us do one more problem. My mother says that in her childhood, the cost of petrol is only rupees 1 per liter. But now it is rupees 65 per liter. We need to find in what percentage the price of the petrol gone up. It is, we are going to find the increase percentage. In the childhood, previously it is rupees 1. Now it is rupees 65. So we are set the old price, original price as rupees 1. Original price or original value. Now we need to find the increase in price. Now it is 65 rupees. So increase in value or increase in price is equal to 65 minus 1 is 64. Now we can find the increase in price, the percentage of increase in the cost of the petrol is equal to increase in value by original value into 100%. So what is the increase in value? 64. The original value we set as 1 into 100 percentage. We can multiply between the values inside the bracket. It is 64 into 100. It is 6,400. percentage of increase in the value of petrol is 6,400 percentage.